Hello, welcome back to our channel Aceyourlearning with Divya. Students, in our previous video, we understood how to divide 4-digit number by 1-digit number. In today's class, we will understand how to divide a number by 2-digit number. Here is an example. In a class, 14 students went on an adventure trip which costed them 14,308 rupees. How much did each student pay? So total 14 students had gone for the trip, and for 14 students it costed 14,308. So we'll have to find out here how much did each student pay. So what we have to do, we have to divide 14,308 by 14. What is 14,308 now? Yes, it is a dividend which has to be divided by 14. So 14 is divisor, right? So we'll start dividing 14,308 divided by 14. So 14 one time is 14, right? 14 one time is 14. 14 is divisible by 14. So 14 one time is 14. Next, what is 14 minus 14? Yes, 0. Next, bring down the hundreds value, that is 3. But 3 is not divisible by 14. What do we do now? Yes, we have to bring down 0, the next place value also. Yes, after bringing down 0, we cannot leave as it is. We have to write 0 in the quotient place. We have to mention 0 in the quotient place when we are bringing two numbers together. Yes. So we are left with 30 now. 30 is not equally divided by 14. Correct. So what is the nearest number? That is 14 one time is 14. 14 two times is 28. 14 three times will be 36. 36 is more than 30. So we'll stop till 2's are, that is 28. 14 two times is 28. Right? So take away 28 from 30. From 0 we cannot take away 8. So we'll have to borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2 after giving 1. So here after receiving 1 10, 0 becomes 10, right? 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring down the last digit, that is 8. Now we are left with 8. So 14 2 times is 28. Right? 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. No remainder is left. Correct? And what is 1022? Is the quotient and also the answer to the question, right? So here each student has to pay 1022 rupees. Yes? So here what did we do? Here we could not divide 300 by 14, right? So we regrouped 300 with 0. So it became 30, right? Then 30 we divided by 14, and we should not forget to write 0 in the quotient place when we are bringing down two digits. Yes? Look at one more example here. Here, Mr. Sumit's car has travelled 8,800 km over 25 days. How many kilometers is that in one day? It has travelled 8,800 kilometers for 25 days. We'll have to find out how much it might have travelled for one day or in one day. 8,800 is the dividend which has to be divided by the divisor 25. Now 25 one time is 25. 25 two times is 50. 25 three times is 75. 25 four times is 100. Now 25 ones are 25. If we do, 25 cannot be subtracted by 8. So we'll consider both the digits, right? So 25 fours is 100, which cannot be subtracted by 88. 25 three times is 75. 75 is less than 88, which can be subtracted. So we'll consider 75. So 25 three times is 75. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 7 is 2. Next, bring down 0. We brought down 0. Now we are left with 230. Yes. Now 25 4 times is 100. 25 8 times is 200. 25 9 times is 225, right? So 25 10 times will be 250. 250 is more than 230. So we'll stop till 9 times. So we have 225. From 0 we cannot take away 5. So we borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is again 0. We are left with 5. Now we have to bring down the last digit, that is 0. When we bring down 0, we have now 50. When we regroup 0 with 5, we'll have 50 as a number. So 25 one time is 25. 25 two times is 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. So here Sumit's car has travelled 392 kilometers in one day. Correct? We have got the quotient as 392, which is the answer for the question. So Sumit's car has travelled 392 kilometers in one day. This is how we can divide a number by a two-digit number. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.